bakit ba ang daming order management system na nag-aalok dito sa ating bansa? At ang daming player ng OMS. Let me tell you, bakit? Ang order management system kasi is a consolidated system. Kailangan mo gamitin ang OMS or order management system because you are an online seller. Question, online seller ka ba? Gumagamit ka ba ng OMS or order management system? Pag hindi pa, kailangan mo makinig. Ang Lazada, Shopee, TikTok, Zalora, may system yan. But the problem is, lahat yan, competitors sila. So, hindi sila pwedeng magsama-sama. At hindi sila talaga makapagsama-sama. So, kailangan mo ng isang order management system para mapagsama mo ang lahat ng marketplace. Maski meron kang 5 Lazada store, 3 Shopee store, 2 TikTok store, ang problem is yung inventaryo. Kung meron kang 100 na piraso sa isang item, at meron kang 12 tindahan na iba-iba, may Lazada, Shopee, TikTok, kailangan mo hati-hatiin yan. Example, yung 100, tagsa 10 kada store. Ngayon, dahil meron ka ng order management system, one benefit ng isang order management system is centralized na ang iyong inventory. So, lahat ng store is controlled ng isang order management system. Let's say you have 10 stores. So, store 1, store 2, store 3, hanggang store 10. If store 5 nagkaroon ng order, sabihin natin, 100 pieces ang inventory mo, automatically, all the stores mababawasan ng, example, may bumili sa store 5 ng 2 piraso. All the store will be deducted with the 2 orders ay magiging 98 na lang ang inventory ng bawat store. So, you don't need to do it manually. Imagine the convenience and the benefit of you have a very well-controlled inventory system that manage your cash flow sa negosyo mo. So, question ko, nagdadalawang isip ka pa ba kung gusto mo mag-order management system or gusto mo magkaroon ng order management system? Keep on watching this.